Ever wondered how to build your own website but didn't know where to start? Fear not, because the answer is right here, right now. With WordPress, creating your own website is as easy as 1, 2, 3, or rather, 9 simple steps. The first step in this journey is to get web hosting and a domain name. While WordPress is a free website builder to make your site available on the web, you'll need a web hosting service. The best WordPress hosting services even throw in a free domain name and one-click installation, making the process a breeze. Choosing a domain name can be a part of your hosting plan registration process. But remember, when selecting a domain name, keep it short, avoid numbers and dashes, and try to stick with a.com if possible. Also, ensure that the domain is available, and avoid using words that are difficult to pronounce or spell. Once you've secured your web hosting and domain name, it's time to install WordPress. Connect your web hosting service to WordPress from your user dashboard. Navigate to Websites, then to Manage Websites. Locate your site, click Manage, and voila! You've installed WordPress. Step 2 is all about finding and installing a WordPress theme. Think of a theme as your website's wardrobe. It controls how your website looks and functions. Spend some time finding a theme that matches your vision for the site. Once you've found the perfect theme, download the theme files and install them via your WordPress dashboard. Now, step 3 involves installing plugins. Plugins are like the gadgets and gizmos that add functionality to your WordPress site. From enhancing site security to adding live chat, there's a plugin for almost everything. But remember, keep the number of plugins to a minimum to avoid slowing down your site. The remaining 6 steps will involve setting up your website structure, customizing your theme, creating essential pages, setting up a navigation menu, adding content, and finally, optimizing your website for search engines. But we'll get into those in detail in the next video. In summary, building a website on WordPress involves 9 simple steps: getting web hosting and a domain name, installing WordPress, finding and installing a theme, installing plugins, setting up your website structure, customizing your theme, creating essential pages, setting up a navigation menu, adding content, and optimizing your website for search engines. Each step is crucial in its own way, and together, they form the foundation of a successful website. So roll up your sleeves and get ready to dive into the exciting world of website creation.